Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having lower miles with less wear and tear, a good deal, and loaded with features. Features also include navigation system, alloy wheels, hands-free Bluetooth integration, panorama sunroof, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2015 Optima. The all-new Kia Optima offers a new level of style and performance features from Kia. The Optima also features engine management systems like direct injection and turbocharging, which enhance performance without sacrificing fuel efficiency. Its smooth flowing lines speak of grace and style and offer a strong hint of European luxury, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, anti-lock braking system, moonroof, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, FWD. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.